Precision Mounting Technology's docking station for the Dell rugged laptop range of devices is constructed from strong yet lightweight aluminum to provide a rugged mounting solution that is lightweight whilst maintaining PMT's low-profile design that creates an environment to maximise vehicle occupant comfort and safety. This style of design that PMT has become renowned for results in a mount which minimises protrusion within the cabin to create a comfortable and spacious working environment for those operators who call these spaces their mobile office. Featuring a mechanism designed for smooth and seamless operation, the docking-undocking process becomes simple and effortless, whilst in the knowledge that the laptop is securely attached through an audible click and visual movement of the docking lever. A non-captured key lock offers increased security and theft deterrence for added peace of mind when the laptop is docked. The front clamps can be swapped out in less than 2 minutes for increased compatibility with a range of Dell rugged laptop devices such as the previous generation 5424 and 7424 laptops, or the latest current generation 5430 and 7330 laptops. For full compatibility listings, please contact us or refer to precisionmounts.com for the latest up-to-date product information. A floating connector design with low-profile rounded pins aid to reduce damage and wear, increasing reliability and dependability for continuous mission-critical operations. Available with a choice of RF pass-through connectors, the dock is available in either Tri-RF or no RF configurations, as well as the option for a cradle featuring no electronics or port replication. The docking station configurations feature dual RS-232 serial ports, VGA and HDMI video output, a single USB 2 and dual USB 3 ports, RJ45 gigabit Ethernet connection, power input, and optional Tri-RF pass-through, with an additional side USB port along with microphone input, headphone output, and an LED status indicator. PMT offers further increased flexibility in connector port configurations for the dock to be ordered with forward-facing connectors, offering the absolute minimum footprint by keeping wires and cables within the docking station, or for the dock to be configured and ordered with the connector ports facing out towards the rear of the dock for users requiring easy access to the connectors and cables whilst out in the field. Both front and rear port options feature a cable tie rail for securing all cables to reduce strain and prevent unwanted disconnects. A mounting plate attaches to the docking station, a fast and simple installation into a vehicle, featuring a selection of hole mounting patterns, including the popular universal VESA 75 hole pattern. Simply attach the mounting plate to a motion attachment, such as PMT's mousetrap with wedge tilt, then reattach the docking station to the mounting plate, and the install is complete. All these features plus added peace of mind from PMT's 3-year warranty. PMT's docking station for Dell rugged laptop computers. Rugged, reliable, responsive.